came into power the promise of providing 50,000 jobs. They could not do that, so they created, or they projected that they are creating this IPB, which was actually done to convert land, and they started parading that as their flagship scheme, as the word they like to use, to create these jobs. But in reality, hardly 2,000 jobs have been created. That too, it is that we suspect whether they have actually done that. So what is going on in the employment exchange? I had put an RTI asking for their planned expenditure, as budgeted, how much money they have allocated to different schemes, different projects, etc. And I've got shocking results. I'll just go one at a time. The first is regarding job development and vocational guidance units, which were supposed to be set up by the government.